Today I am boxing up a happy Valentine's Day Happy Mail, and I thought I would show you everything that was inside and how it's all going to go together. So we're going to start off with the main feature of the gift, and that is this gorgeous little album. So this was something that I actually found by local crafter, and I added and augmented my own touches on it as well. Like, it had a keychain, but I added some of my own charms and dangles here. But this was just so cute, and I just couldn't resist getting it and filling it up with all of these wonderful goodies. So love, kisses, and Valentine's wishes. And then we open it up here, and you can see I have decorated the cover with one of my collage masterboard pieces and a handmade butterfly. I've included in here some cards. I'll show you what these cards look like. They're so cute. It's like, "You're rad," "I like your face," and they have cute little envelopes. They're just like the perfect size that fit right in there. And then on here I have added one of my snippet rolls that I created, and there's some ephemera tucked in on top of a shaker pocket, and that can be used. And then throughout the book there are dividers and little pages for journaling, note making. Inside here we have some felted hearts, and then some tucked in little tags from some of my favorite scrapbook collections. Some little happy Valentine's Day. This girl that made this created this little divider by laminating heart confetti inside the plastic. And we have some more pages, some beautiful heart embellishment stickers. This nice patchwork strawberry. This idea with the pen clipped to the side, and then just to clip the pen onto this binder clip, is such a smart idea. And then it's got all sorts of little pieces of ephemera tucked in here. Some more paper, some washi, and then here's some post-it notes, some stickers, scented stickers. I've put an under eye mask in here with this gorgeous bow on top. And then the actual album is tucked into this last sparkly piece here. So that is the gorgeous Valentine's Day little mini album that I am sending off to Janice. So if you watched my video where I said that I unboxed a Christmas gift from Janice, and I had said that because of the Canada Post strike, we were delayed in getting packages to each other, so I decided that I would make mine a Valentine's gift. The one thing that is beautifully looking like a Valentine's gift here by the wrapping, but is very much a Christmas novel, is tucked away in here. So she's getting her Christmas book. I just couldn't resist when I saw the theme of this book. It would just seemed so perfect for her. So I had to get that for her, and I've just wrapped it up to sort of camouflage and make it fit into the Valentine's theme, but she won't be surprised. some little treats. This is an Aero chocolate bar. I'll show you what it looks like because they actually have this little heart on there. They were with the Valentine's candies. I don't know what this is, but Aero is a nice plain chocolate. I know she doesn't love chocolate, but I can't send a Valentine's gift without chocolate in it. So I've just wrapped it in tissue and tucked it in this bag. There. I've got a little gift of Valentine stickers. These were from Michael's. If you watched my BB Craft haul, I got these gorgeous bags that are perfect for gifting. Inside this gift, I've got this really cute bag. I'm happy that I had the chance to meet you. And inside, I have created some rolled flowers with my beautiful Minte papers. So I absolutely love using those on my projects. So I am gifting some to Janice. Then I've got this cute decoration of stickers, and then this little embellishment in the middle of the O. One of the little like decorative brads. And then it says, "You are my favorite." Here are some more stickers that I thought were just so cute. I just love the colors. These are absolutely my favorite colors. I love this little typewriter and this little idea heart. This key with this flowers. This little jar. Like, they're so cute. I really love those. I'll tuck those in there. And here I have gifted her some stamps from Sweet Story. Hello, rainbows, and then I love you, my happy place, sunshine and smiles. I really love Maggie Holmes and crepe paper, and she gifted me some stamps, so I thought I would return the favor. In this, I have some of my handmade butterflies that I have gifted her there. Here is a little cute gnome. I love gnomes and I love hot chocolate. And so I have gifted her a little gnome hot chocolate. It's just a single serving one. I'm not sure if she's a big hot chocolate fan. She did send me hot chocolate at Christmas time as well. So this is another cute little hot chocolate making its way back to her. I'm going to be doing a secret Cupid swap. I guess it depends on which gets here first as to which video I can share for you first. But the secret Cupid swap is something I've done every year with a wonderful group of ladies, and I always love sending and receiving those gifts. Here I have created a cute little shopping bag. I've decorated the outside and put it inside of a vellum bag and then tucked again inside here. I have made a pen for her. So it's got the hearts on here, you can see, and some cute little dangle beads and another little silver heart. This looks like a heart-shaped apple, and she is a retired teacher, so I thought that was perfect, sort of reminiscent of her teaching days, a little throwback to honor her time as a teacher. But the theme of Valentine's Day still standing there. So I'm going to put some shred here. We'll do like this. 3 different shades of pink. Do love my pink. And I'm going to top it off with this card right on top there. This handmade card. It's from Stamping Up. I went to a Stamping Up party. One of my girlfriends sells Stamping Up. She used to do Close to My Heart, but then when they went out of business or almost amalgamated with Stamping Up, she switched over. And so we created this at her house, and I made this specifically with Janice in mind. Okay, I'm going to just add some little hearts in here. And so gorgeous, like gold balls. Some fun little styrofoam hearts. This gorgeous little shred. And a little pom-pom. There we go. It's ready to go out the door. Now watch for my Secret Cupid swap. I can actually link some videos for you here. I have been doing this Secret Cupid swap for many years, and I'm excited to share the 2025 Secret Cupid swap with you. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.